we're going to talk a little bit about the possibilities for slash chords. An awful lot of the time when you see a slash chord, it's really just an inversion, which would mean that the bottom note, the bass note, the one that comes after the slash, is really just another chord tone. But it doesn't always work that way. So the way that the slash chord could work on guitar would be that the chord that you see listed first is the chord that you're playing, then you have the slash, and then after that you've got what the bass note would be, the lowest voiced note in the chord. So I'm going to walk through a few examples of slash chords on guitar with you. The first one is a pop rock version that's based off of the 1 chord in the key of C. The second example of a slash chord progression is going to kind of stay in one place, and it's a rock example. This third example is based on the mode Phrygian, and it has kind of an eerie feel to it. This last example is a rock example that starts on the 4 chord, and we're going to make use of a capo at the 1st fret to hold down our F note. We're going to use an F chord, and then we're going to move to a G with an F in the bass. So a capo is going to help us hold down that note as we change chords. So hopefully that'll give you some chord progressions to practice using your different bass note in the slash chord format, and open up some sonic possibilities for your rhythm playing that you may not have thought of before.